Education is a journey, not a destination. It requires vision, dedication, and a passion for transforming lives through knowledge. In the heart of Chakwal, a city rich in history and culture, Government Graduate College for Women Chakwal has been walking this path since 1973, driven by a mission and dedicated to provide quality education and empower future generations. Initially, college had no building of its own. However, in 1977, the college building was completed and classes were shifted to it. In 1982, the college was upgraded to a degree college, and in 2022, it took a significant leap forward by introducing BS Honours 4-year programs in different subjects affiliated with the University of the Punjab. Our college is privileged to have an exceptional principal, Mrs. Mehnaz Akhtar, whose visionary leadership and unwavering dedication inspire both students and staff. With remarkable administrative skills and a deep commitment to academic excellence, the principal has created an environment that nurtures discipline, innovation, and holistic development. The real success of an educational institution is seen in the lives it influences beyond its campus. We feel a deep sense of pride when we see our former students serving in many respectable fields.
My name is Farzana Batul and I'm national football player and current Aussie Rule football team captain. मेरी जर्नी का आगाज़ जो है गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चकवाल से हुआ। कॉलेज चकवाल का एक वो वाहिद कॉलेज है जहाँ पे न सिर्फ एक अच्छी एजुकेशन दी जा रही है बल्कि एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ पे भी ध्यान दिया जा रहा है।
वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम बुशरा लतीफ़ है। मैं कौमी इदारे सेहत में एज अ साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर काम करती हूँ और आई एम सो प्राउड टू शेयर कि मैं गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की ग्रेजुएट हूँ। जब हमारा टेन्योर था उस टाइम पे इट वाज द ओनली कॉलेज चकवाल सिटी में जो कि खवातीन के लिए था।
The institution is strengthened by a team of highly qualified and experienced faculty members, many of whom hold PhD and MPhil degrees. The college takes pride in its team of 35 highly qualified faculty members, including 14 lecturers, 15 assistant professors, and 5 associate professors. The college staff also includes 10 CTI staff members who provide valuable support to the faculty and students. College administrative staff members consistently work hard to manage day-to-day operations efficiently to ensure the smooth functioning of the institution. The college has achieved notable success in academics, with students consistently delivering impressive results. This excellence has led to a steady increase in enrollment year by year. With a sprawling campus that boasts 4 modern blocks, the college provides a conducive learning environment for its students. For a strength of 1,700 students, the college has 23 classrooms, 2 lecture theatres, and a library that houses 19,492 books. College library is regularly updated with latest editions and learning resources. College also publishes annual magazine and newsletter every 4 months. The college also provides a well-maintained mosque for both staff and students. The college is equipped with a seminar room that is utilized for conducting awareness sessions, academic seminars, and various activities. College also has a meeting room, a daycare center, and 2 dedicated examination rooms to facilitate a well-organized and seamless examination process. Another major asset of the institute is its multi-purpose Jinnah Hall. This impressive venue accommodates a wide variety of academic seminars, cultural programs, competitions, co-curricular activities, and community events. To encourage hands-on scientific learning, the college maintains well-equipped and fully operational science laboratories where students actively engage in practical experiments across various disciplines such as biology, chemistry, physics, botany, and zoology. The college has a well-equipped computer science lab established through self-help efforts and dedicated support. The college also features a well-organized psychology lab and a well-maintained fine arts lab. To ensure the smooth conduct of daily activities and proper functioning of the institution, our college has a dedicated and active proctoral board. The college also provides various scholarships to support students, including the CM Scholarship and Laptop Award. The college also has a well-maintained hostel which can accommodate more than 200 students. Our institution strongly promotes co-curricular and sports activities to ensure the overall development of students. The college provides proper facilities including spacious grounds for various indoor and outdoor games. Students are also encouraged to participate in cultural programs, academic competitions, and different supporting events throughout the year. Our students actively participate in competitions at the district, divisional, and provincial levels, where they consistently achieve success and win prizes. Their accomplishments not only highlight their talent and dedication, but also bring pride and recognition to the college. Looking to the future, the college plans to strengthen its infrastructure with modern classrooms, well-equipped labs, and advanced digital learning resources. Aligned with the visionary mission of the Chief Minister of Punjab, the college is dedicated to providing equal opportunities, fostering innovation, and nurturing leadership among its students. Government Graduate College for Women Chakwal envisions a future where every student emerges as a confident, responsible, and capable individual ready to serve society.